Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, we have two different job openings for today that is applicable for the freshers. So let's see what are the eligibility criteria and whoever can apply to this job and everything in detailed format. Okay, first let me start with EY itself. So before that, if you're very new to channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So while you activate the bell icon, please enable this all option because then only whichever video we upload, you will be getting notified. Else only a few kind of videos you will be getting, else you'll be getting missed. Okay, so we do provide the timely updates regarding the company hirings or openings available, and also if you have online assessments from different companies, different materials are there that we provide free in this video section. Okay, so all we are there to travel, or we are there to help you throughout your placement journey. If you have any concern, any doubts, or anything that you need clarifications regarding any of the videos, please do mail your concern to this mail id info.onlinestudyforyou@gmail.com so that we can look into it and create if it is relevant. Okay, so yeah, let's start to the video. So here we have an opening from EY. It's an associate position and location is Bangalore. Now coming to the details regarding this, you can see this is the interpersonal education and experience. So interpersonal skills will be excellent verbal and written communication skills in English, ability to work in a team-oriented environment and help to identify and solve problems. Then our education and experience will be any graduate. Additional skills requirements will be annotation experience, good to have, not mandatory. Strong accounting and analytical skills, proactive and self-driven. Okay, so this will be the skills. So they are looking for any graduate can apply here. There is no problem in that. So if you just go through this, you will get to know what are the things that you will be doing it here. Attention to detail, flexibility, adaptability, organization skills to meet deadlines, maintain confidentiality of all information and data, subject knowledge, willing to work in a team-oriented environment. Okay, so this is the details regarding the associate positions in EY. So let's see how to apply for that. For that, you can click on this apply now button. So before that, I have something else to introduce, that is, yes, we have a Diwali offer. So everybody happy Diwali. So 21% off plus 3 months free extensions are available. Use this coupon code Diwali21 so that you will get this offer for all the courses that you get from the Online Study for You application. Okay, and this was valid till November 7. So everybody rush, take your course, prepare well, have a bright Diwali, and yeah, that's it. Start your career. Okay, so now coming back to the process, here we have the opening from EY, and this is how you have to register for that. So if you have already a profile under career sections of EY, then you can use the same profile but just making a login. Else you can fill this form and get into this. Okay, you can create your account itself. So I'll show you by creating an account. Created an account. So now we need to navigate in here. Okay, so meanwhile, we discuss about the CTC details. So EY in there, the fresher salary is average 3.6 plus LP is provided. So obviously it's a great opportunity, and they haven't mentioned about the batch criteria. So as of now, all the passed out batches can make use of this opportunity, like 2019, 20 and 21st students. Okay, and 22, like some of the students, like from 2022, some of the universities will be having their final semesters like only internship or some project works alone. No, well, some university may be having that only. So if you are ready to take up a job at that time, even 22 students can also try applying to most of the jobs wherein the immediate joining is present. Okay. So you can submit till up to, this is a pro tip actually. So you can submit up to the results that is out till date, and you can make so much. Some of the companies are still accepting the candidates who haven't completed like final semester. Like if only project or something is left to it, they're ready to take you. Okay, so there are so much companies who do take up like that. So you can just try applying to that. If that company is like that, then they'll accept it. Okay, now you can see here, this is the registration form. You have to give your name, mail ID, then your mobile number, university or school, primary degree subject, secondary degree, then every subject's month of graduation, year of graduation, everything is provided. From here, you can just select, see, these are the graduates available. And if you could scroll, there will be plenty enough. And yes, first preference, AY, then location. Yeah, currently it is available in Bangalore. So if you could give this location as Bangalore, then that will be taken into account first. And any languages that you speak, IU and OCI. Then have you ever been subject to investigation or criminal law, anything? Then is your previous employer Big Four? If you have an employee, if then can give your relationship, then your every details. Then are you a chartered accountant? Yes or no, you can give. If you are, you can give yes, you know. Then year of passing, everything we can provide. Status of Senate, so there's maybe some kind of courses, so it accordingly you can just give them and upload your resume, upload your passport size photo, additional optional attachment, everything, and after that continue. Okay, so this is the application process. So this is all about the opportunity available EY. So if you wish to apply, you can apply it at the earliest. So I think all the details are pretty much clear to you. Any graduates is applicable here. Okay. So next we have an opening from Wipro to discuss. So Wipro is hiring for the associate voice or non-voice customer service BO international banking, and the location is Pune. So education, graduation experiences in BPO environment. So if like nowadays most of the students have been taking care of these BPO jobs while they are in graduation, like part-time jobs. Okay, so what they want you to have is a basic idea on the same. And if you're a fresher too, if you could handle things, if you are very good at communication, then obviously they'll select. Okay, so this is the particularity of these kind of jobs. So if you have an experience, a part-time or full-time, whatever, and if you don't have to, but you are very good in communication, then this will be applicable for you. Okay, now that's why they have mentioned 0 to 3 years of experience. Okay, it doesn't mean that only experience will be given the first priority. If you are a 0 years of experience, or if you are highly experienced, 3 years of experience, 4 years experience, whatever, your communication skill will be taken into account. And if you have a better communication skill, obviously that is going to kick it. Okay, so that's it. Now the roles and responsibilities will be Wipro Limited Pune hiring graduates for its banking client, that is international, for both voice and non-voice process. So experience will be 0 to 3 years of experience, and education will be any graduation for experienced. Okay, if you're experienced and any graduate, that is, as I mentioned, if you have simple like part-time jobs in anything in processing in BPO, then obviously that can also be taken into account if you belong to any. And if you are not experienced person, if you're a fresher, then you must be belonging to BTech, MTech, BCA, Basic Computer Science, BSc, EC, MBA candidates. Please exclude. Okay, so this is MBA candidates. Please exclude. So this is overqualified for this particular job. So this is a guide. Basically, this is for any graduate. If you are apart from this graduates too, and if you can take up to this offering provided, if you can perform the job description provided, then obviously this you can apply. There's no matter. Like once you apply, you will get the like forward process, like interview process, everything. So if you could impress them in well, then your graduation is not a problem in these kind of jobs, because we are not dealing with any kind of technologies here, right? Okay, now non-voice and voice process, what will be that and what will be this? You can get it from here itself and decide candidate profile. Voice opening freshers, 3 years experience into national non-voice, 3 years experience to banking office experience. Okay, so this is in case if you're experienced this, so you'll be getting another like kind of section to handle, and if you're fresher, you'll be getting another kind of section to handle. Okay, so to apply for that same application process that Wipro always do have, you can click on this and you can give your mail ID and then accept the terms and conditions. Okay. Yeah, you can accept the privacy condition, then go for the next. Yeah, now you have a form where you have to fill all your details, your personal information, your education history, then your phone number, then work experience, if any. This is not mandatory field. So freshers, you can completely skip this section. Then your preference, everything. After that, submit this profile. Okay, so this is about the opening in Wipro. So coming to the CTC provided, for this CTC, like the base salary for the Wipro for the freshers is 3.2, 3.3 plus LPAs. According to this, it may vary, like this year it may vary, maybe some extra will be there, it depends. So this is the average base salary. So if you wish to apply for this job, then please to apply to the earliest, pick up the link from the description and go. Okay, so don't forget about about the thing that the offer that we use present. So if you are preparing for any of the online assessment or any of the selection process to any of the companies, we have immense materials for that, like anything, interview or technical assessment, whatever, we have the materials. So this Diwali, you can make use of this and get the use coupon code Diwali21 and get the discount. Okay, 21% off and 3 months free extension available till November 7. So grab your course, start your preparation, and celebrate your Diwali well. And this will be a great Diwali gift so that we can give it to you. Okay, so that's all, guys. If you have any further doubts, please do mention in the comment section, and also suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again with another video, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to online study for you, and also happy Diwali to every online study for you family.